Hi friends, I just received this product today. I am want to arm it and install it with you to see how it works. This is organized for your bags, or you can use it in your kitchen too. Looks like this. These are the instructions, so let's go use it. One thing that I love about this organizer is that you can use it for another things too. It's made for your bags, but you can use it for the kitchen or another thing that you need to organize in your homes too. So as you can see, our organizer is already armed. This was a easy process because instructions are so clear and all the parts are perfect. So as you can see, here is this part that you can use to put some labels to know what bag or thing are in all the spaces of your organizers. You can put it in any door with this part of your organizer that you can adjust with this. And then with this too, this is our adhesive for the walls. So if you don't want to put on your door, you can use this, put it in this holes, and put your organizer directly on the wall. You can move all the pieces of your organizer just using these hooks in your product, so you can use it more separated or all together in this part or down. And another thing about this organizer is that all this part is made for four different pieces. So you can use it separated. You can put one piece in one part of the wall and another, or you use it all together. So let me put it in my door and I will show with you how it works and how to see. So now I'm gonna put my organizer in this door. That was so easy. As you can see, the door closed perfectly. It's no problem with my organizer right there. So as I say, you can move this and put it down or up as you want it. Let's go put some bags in it. As you can see, the size of this part is perfect for bigger and smaller bags. Looks beautiful and perfect, and you can use this space to put some labels to name your bags, and have so much space, so you can put two bags together too if you want. And as a organizer, you can use it for your bags. That made it this product, but you can use it too in your kitchen for some dishes, some food, or another thing that you need to organize. This product is perfect. It's easy to install and looks beautiful in your home. So I highly recommend it. See you.